Okay, good day guys. So we got the 2019 Tata Super Ace, which is made in India and was exported to Philippines. So as you can see here, we have the manual
Oh,
transmission.
may raton
It
po.
is used for business purposes only, and this diesel engine. So this car is similar to L300. It's like L300 but in
Sasakyang
Indian
Indiano pala
version.
to eh.
So this is a private
Sasakyang
car,
Indiano.
but it's used for business. Super
Opo.
Ace Big Boy, FB, body type FB, ano, L300 FB
Nasa
type.
loob po sila, nagpapakuloy.
So you see there, just same doors, and the wheels has steely material and four screws in each tire. So you see here, there is like side mirrors, just plastic. Wipers are double-sided wipers. There's hazards in the doors. There's 5-speed manual transmission, and you have the air cons also for stereotypes, stereo. So the seats here are stock seats. They have power window, and they have also
5-speed
air
manual pala ito.
intaker. So
Opo.
the
So,
the
stainless yun.
stepboards here are quite rusty already, and it's just brand new. Taillights, headlights are just stock, and they did not change into anything. So
Ayun
I
yung
saw
ano,
here
yung tanggap
the
siya.
mufflers are at the right side
Ayun yung
of the
tanggap.
car, and they have small suspensions and small details in the underparts. So
Ganda
I
na din
can
pala
see the
to sa
inside
loob.
here with the open windows. They
Kala ko pala
have
dito siya kasi yung
already
isa
have
kong
broken
ano,
seats, broken
isang dati naming
windows, broken paint, and the paint correction has already lost. So here in the right side, now it's the left side, it has a tow hitch, and the doors are plastics. Steel wheels have hubcaps, while some has don't have. Okay, so the wheels are small like a
nakapadas ko.
Suzuki, the van in Japan, just like imported to Philippines. You may see mostly commonly in Cebu or Davao or Visayas and Mindanao region. For the door types, I think they just copied the L3, but it's not similar. Well, it's just similar, but they didn't obviously make it as a copy. So you see here, there's like smooth surface, but it has a little bit of scratches. So also they have put stickers for like business and etc. This car can be used for business or private car as well, just like the Innova, Vios, or Avanza. So yeah, so we're in the inside again, and we're checking the ceiling rails or something like that. So yeah, here's the back of the Tata SuperAce. So there's headlights and taillights. So yeah, let's open it. So yeah, I just tested the door if the door quality is still good. So they also have handrails. Oh, so now we're in the inside. So they allow me to use they allow me to show the insides. This has 5-speed manual transmission, and they have also car chargers, cigarette lights, yeah, and they also have consoles, side mirrors. There's Tata logo, 3 spoke steering wheel, and I think it's a manual window or power window. It's most likely a power window car. Yes, so they also have life jackets. They have consoles and compartments. So yeah, I put them back into neutral already, just for them to start up easily. So here's the picture of the Tata SuperAce. So let's shout out. So I'm gonna give you a shout out, sir, for thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you.
Ayun. Sige po. Ingat.